Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable and disable Hey Google on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. So first of all, we're gonna open settings, scroll all the way down and go to Google. Now over here we need to switch to all services, go to search assistant and voice, go to Google Assistant, and then over here choose Hey Google and voice match. Now over here, if you for instance use Hey Google on other devices, you might need to remove voice match from all your devices. If you press this button, this slider, in order to turn on Hey Google, and you do this for the first time, then you will see the first configuration. So you want to scroll down and choose I agree, and then once again, and now we need to say out loud the sentences that will be displayed on your screen. So let's get right into it. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. You may need to do that several times with different sentences. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? There we go, two more. Okay, Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay, Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And there we go. Now we have configured Hey Google. It is now ready. We have our voice match, so let's press next. Of course, in the future, if you want to turn it off, let's choose not now. If you want to turn it off, then you have Hey Google, of course, again here, and you can tap on the slider in order to turn it off completely. If you want to, you can get rid of your voice model by choosing delete over here. And of course, you can go through that voice match thing again by choosing retrain voice match model, so that you will have to say those sentences out loud again. And that's pretty much it. So now if I go back to the home screen and if I say Hey Google, as you can see, it works fine. Whether you are using Google Assistant or Gemini, it works completely fine. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!